friends, myself Pushpal Pratisha. Today I am going to discuss about impact of music on brain. So music has a profound on the human brain, influencing various cognitive, emotional and physiological processes. So we can discuss detail about impact of music on brain. So first of all we discuss emotional regulation. Music has the power of evoke a wide range of emotions from joy to excitement to sadness or nostalgia. This is primarily due to the ability to stimulate the limbic system, which is responsible for the emotions and motivations. Second one is the stress reduction. Music can reduce the stress. Listening music can lead to the reduction in the levels of stress hormones like cortisol. It is triggered the release of endorphins, which are the body's natural feel good chemicals, promoting relaxation and well-being. Third one, how music enhance memory and learning. So music, especially when paired with specific experiences or information, can aid in a memory formation. This phenomenon is known as a Mozart effect, suggests that the listening to certain types of music can temporarily enhance spatial temporal reasoning skill. Then, fourth one is the music can improve cognitive functions. So, regular exposure to music, especially in childhood, has an associated with the better cognitive abilities, including language development, mathematical skills, and spatial intelligence. Then, fifth one is the enhanced motor skills and coordination. So, playing a musical instrumental involves complex motor skill. The process of learning and practicing an instrument can improve hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and even more. Uh, then, fifth one is the affect brain plasticity. So, engaging with the music is the particularly to be in the form of learning an instrument can lead to the structural changes in the brain. This is known as a neuroplasticity, where the brain structure and organization adapt in response to the experiences. Then seventh one, social bonding and communication. Music is an universal language that transcends the culture and linguistic barriers. It fosters social connection and enhance the group cohesion and can facilitate communication in various settings. Then, eighth one, it can help in pain management. So, music therapy has been shown effective complementary treatment for pain management. It can distract from pain, reduce anxiety, lower the perception of pain management. Then, ninth one is the mood elevation and depression alleviation. So, music therapy is used as an adjunctive treatment for individuals with the depression. It can improve mood, provide a sense of sense of comfort, offer an outlet from expressions. Um, that's all about the how music can affect our brain. Thank you so much.